guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm bringing you a summer kitchen vignette, which is also part of a challenge hosted by Denise Jordan. I have participated in several of these already in the past year and I love doing it because it is right up my alley of decorating. So Denise has asked us to decorate a vignette that is on a tray, and I am using this tray, which has come from Dollarama for $4. I had actually picked it up last year and I picked up several of them because I just thought it was an amazing deal for $4. And then she's asking us to include something with words on it. So I am going to be using my planter, which I had DIY'd several weeks ago, and it has French labeling on it, which I've added. It's got writing and stuff like that, so I will be using that. I thought that's a perfect one because not only does it have words, it also includes a herb, which is another thing that she wanted us to include. She's also asking us to use a pitcher or plate or a cup. Well, I have a pitcher that I have added some flowers. Let me just show you that right there. That is a pitcher that I DIY'd several years, well actually I think it was at the beginning of the year, and I've included some yellow flowers because my theme, my color for this year's summer decor is yellow. Those flowers have come from Dollarama as well. If you don't know what Dollarama is, I am located in Canada and that is our dollar store. And I think that's all she wants us to include. We can include more stuff, but those are the things she wants us to include. So I'm going to decorate my tray using all these items and hopefully I can make them all work together. I have a couple things that I might use, other things that I might use, but this is what my main focus is. So here it is. It was quite simple once I knew items I needed to use. So I'm going to give you a little tour. So this is on my kitchen table. This table we eat at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It gets used all the time, but that doesn't mean that it can look pretty. So I have added a nice table runner with lemons on it to go with my theme, and then everything's on a tray so it's easily just to pick it up and move it over when we're sitting down to eat. So it doesn't take up much effort to clean it up and to reset it again. And this had come from Dollarama as well, the little lantern, but I had added some paint to it because it wasn't a very pleasant brown. Like I said, this is a challenge, so there will be a playlist which I will link down below, as well as I will link Denise's channel down below, so make sure you check out Denise. She teaches women the art of homemaking, as she puts it. So there's tons of great information on her channel, lots of DIYs, and as well as cleaning videos. So make sure you check out Denise. And if you're stopping by my channel for very first time, welcome. I hope you decide to press the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. So until next time, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.